Hi guys, this is Jude from EasyTechs. In this quick tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how you can download and install Fortnite on any version of Windows, be it Windows 7, 8 or 10. I will also be talking a bit on the system requirements for running this game. Fortnite is a popular free-to-play survival game developed by Epic Games. It runs on a wide variety of platforms ranging from PlayStation to Xbox One, iOS, Mac and of course Windows. For this video, I'm going to be focusing only on the Windows installation, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first, we're going to take a quick look at the system requirements for running Fortnite from Fortnite Support Center. Here we have the recommended system requirements and the minimum system requirements. Of course, as the name implies, your PC needs to meet the minimum system requirements in order to run the game. So you should have at least an Intel HD Graphics 4000, a 2.4 GHz i3 processor, a 4 GB of RAM and a 64-bit edition of either Windows 7, 8 or 10. However, to enjoy the full features and functionalities of the game in a smooth, responsive fashion, then you will want to run on the recommended system requirements, which is basically a bigger graphics card, faster processor, and doubling up on your RAM. That notwithstanding, before you dismiss your PC as incapable of running Fortnite, here it also says that if your system doesn't meet these requirements, be sure to check back as we improve our optimization. And as you can see from the page update timestamp here, it hasn't been updated in a while. So certain changes could have been made which are not yet updated on this system requirements page. So you might try installing on your PC and see how well it runs. With that out of the way, let's move on to the download and installation process. For that, you need to open up your browser and search Fortnite download and hit enter. Then click on the download link from Epic Games. Usually the page should be able to detect your operating system and initiate the download automatically according to your operating system. But if that doesn't happen for you, then click on the option that corresponds to your operating system. In this case, it will be Windows, and then wait for the Epic installer to download. This is a light file, about 31 MB in size, so it should download pretty fast. After downloading, run the setup by clicking on the downloaded file. Then you should see the Epic Game Launcher setup. Here you should click on install. Then hit yes on the user account control dialog box and wait for the installation to complete. If at any point you get this firewall Windows security alert or user account control dialog box, just click on allow access or yes to continue the installation process. After the installation, the Epic Games sign-in page should open up automatically, but if it doesn't, then you should find the Epic Game Launcher shortcut on your desktop. Just double-click on it to open the sign-in page. On this page, you can choose to sign in with either your Facebook account or your Google Plus account. You can also choose to create an entirely new account using the sign up option at the bottom of the page. And if you already have an account on Epic Games, then you can enter your login credentials and enjoy the game. Drop us a like if you found this video useful. Leave us a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.